Welcome back, everybody. So today I'm going to be taking these rawhide curls I picked up at the local Walmart, and I'll be rehydrating them, dyeing them, one with coffee grounds and the other with some Minwax stain. So the goal here is to get some rawhide backing for the longbows that I'm building. And this is an alternative of paying upwards of $27 for 36-inch strips at 2 inches wide. Just seemed kind of outrageous when I spent only about $9 for all this, and they do seem to be in a pretty good width. I should be able to get 2 strips at least per section once it's all rehydrated and flattened out. So let's see how it turns out. Alright, so took the packages off. I got some water here. It's lukewarm. Just going to let these soak for about a couple hours until they get rehydrated enough to start flattening them out. And then we'll go into dyeing each one with Minwax on some of them and coffee stain on the others. Alright, you can see here that I had to basically wedge them down into the water because they do want to float, just to ensure that the water properly hydrates them evenly. So just make sure that they're submerged. Alright, welcome back. So this is the Minwax stain that I used. You can see that it's kind of got like almost a camouflaged. Here's the belly side of the non-hair side. It took up a little bit better with the stain. It wasn't even though. It was not an even take up. Here's the back side where the hair would have been. I mean, overall it does look, it looks a little better. It's darker. It's just not very even. So that's the rawhide that was soaked in the Minwax oil-based stain. Here's some random straps that were just not used at all. You can kind of see the difference there. And then once the coffee gets done, we will compare the two. But that's how it turned out. We'll see how it turns out when it dries a little bit. Alright, welcome back, everybody. So as you can clearly see, I just took these rawhides out of the coffee and even rinsed them off and put them here. They turned out a whole lot better than the stain. See, here is a piece of stain. It was 3 hours it sat in there. I mean, these did stay in the coffee for 12 hours, so maybe that's why they took better, but absolutely a lot more what I was going for. So before I use them, I think I will just soak them in coffee again just to get them rehydrated and dry them off and then glue them down. But I think coffee's the way to go. It's pretty consistent through and through. Little spot there, but I mean, for the most part, they all turned out pretty good. So that's just real strong coffee for about 12 hours. Pretty good deal. I got the bow over here setting up pretty nicely. Almost sounds like a drum. So this is also that stained, 15-minute stained, almost non-existent, but first bow. So the next one should look a lot better. We'll get some of this coffee stained rawhide on there.